Okay, guys, today you're going to do a historic event graphic organizer. The topic is going to be Jackson's War on the Bank, and we're going to, instead of doing it on paper, we're going to try doing it on Discovery Ed. Okay, so step one, log into your Rapid Identity accounts, please. And you're going to go into Discovery. So click where it says Discovery Education. And from here, you're going to go up to the top left, and you're going to go to Builder Tools. When you get to this screen, you're going to go to where it says Create New Board. And let me show you how I want this set up. So we need to give it some kind of theme, so history, why not? The title, we'll call it Jackson's War on the Bank. Jackson's War on the Bank. And for a description, you just put Station 2, Wednesday. 2/20, it'll be the 21st. I think. What's the day's day? It'll be the 20th. It'll be the 20th. All right. Okay? So go to continue. And then press save. All right, now that we got this, I want 6 boxes that look identical to this, where it says add a photo, video, or audio. So I'm going to get rid of this one. Okay, scroll down. Get rid of that one. Get rid of that one. And this one. So that means I need to add in 4 boxes that look like this, and I'll show you how to do that. So you'll go to add items and go to media, and do it again. Excuse me. So you go to media, media again, media again. And from that point, we're going to slide these up so that they look pretty neat. Okay, and so at the very top, we're going to put in what the topic is, which is Jackson's War on the Bank. And it's not, when I say war on the bank, it's not an actual pow-pow war. It's not that kind of war. It's just that he tries to get rid of the national bank, and he does so successfully with marvelous results. All right. So as usual, in the top left box for the historic event graphic organizer, the question is who. So who's involved? We're going to do this using only pictures. Only pictures. So the answer is obviously going to be Andrew Jackson. So we're going to answer the question who's involved with pictures. So I'm going to go to search. Now I'm going to type in what my answer is going to be, which is Andrew Jackson. I'm going to press search. And then I'm going to press images, because I want an image of them, and then I want to add it. And then down here, let's say add selected resources. So add that selected resource. Okay. Then this question is, like always, actually this question is going to be a little bit different now. Instead of just saying when and where, I'm going to ask you what's the context. And by context, I want to know what is happening around this time. And I'm going to do this one for you. So I'm going to do 2 of these, whereas you only have to do 4. All right, so the answer, around this same time period, you have the Tariff of Abominations, or Tariff of 1832. 1832 is easier to spell than Abominations. And I'm looking for a picture for this. And I cannot find the answer. Okay, the answer to my question is not on here in an image, and I'm glad that happened, because I want to show you an acceptable alternative. I don't want you doing this if there is a way. So Being the fact that I can't find tariffs, a picture of it, I'm going to delete this box. I'm going to go to text box. I'm going to drag it up here. And I'm going to write my answer. We'll do bold. All right. Tariff of 1832 was going on. What's happening around this time? All right. So again, if you can find a picture that deals with the answer, that's what I want. If you can't find a picture, then you'll change it from, you'll delete the media box, add in a text box, and put it in that way. The final thing, though, is we're going to go to text box, put it down here at the bottom, and rather than just having this same old paper we've been seeing, I want to change the background, and I can change it to an index card. Let's do that. And so what you're going to do here is you're going to take a look at all those boxes. Nowhere up here, whether it's a picture or whether it's a text, I do not want you to write any paragraphs to answer these questions. Instead, use your answers above to make one large paragraph that summarizes the event. And that's it. So you can include who's involved, what was going on in the similar time, what's the overall problem, reason for the problem, resolution of the problem, and the significance of the event. When you're done, in order for me to get it, you're going to go to save, press save, and then you're going to go to share, and you're going to, well, yours is going to look different from me because this will be me sharing to other teachers, other adults. Whenever you press share, from your perspective, it should only say sharing to Daniel Norwood. And then that will be it.